I'm still a little bit sick, but so far I'm getting a lot better. And finally, I got all of them in the mail yesterday. I mean, just what I ordered. Yay! I'm so excited for this collection. It's the first collection that Fenty released, and I'm just like, I need those. I got one set of the Crayon. I got the Killawatt foil palette, and this is what I'm most excited about. This is the loose pigment. It's so beautiful. I'm back and I have foundation on, contour, eyebrows, and you know, base. I was wearing this and it will be in a different video. Okay, time for Fenty Beauty, the Chillowt Collection. And the first thing that I would dive into is the Fenty Beauty Metallic Eye and Lip Crayon 3-piece set. I picked the set called Frost Hunny because if you watch my channels, you will know that I'm a warm color girl. I liked everything about this collection, even the box. So it comes with the sleeve, you can just take it out. And it's cardboard, it's really nice and hard and well made. And it has like magnet that will just keep your stuff stay put. It has a little mirror inside. It's so cute. Okay, the first one I'm gonna swatch. This is shade Sun Frost. The next one is Ice Dunes. And the last one is Pretty Penny. Let's see how much product I have to do. This is pretty a lot. Ha! I tried to wipe it, it's not really coming off. Which is good that it's not smudge. I'm a little scared guy. I actually never used anything crayon before. So I don't know how to do this. But we're gonna go anyway. I think I'm gonna go with Sun Frost on my eyelid. I don't have anything on my eyes, just so you know. Okay, I think if I this fast before it dries, blend it. I think it's really beautiful and easy to apply. And if you blend it right away with your finger, I think it's going and it's so easy. Perfect for lazy person. And sometimes I feel lazy and I love this. It's so good. And I think I'm gonna, since you say that it can do with lips, I think I'm gonna go with the Pretty Penny on my lips. So beautiful. Okay, word of advice, don't put anything on your lips. I mean, if you have foundation on, remove it, because I didn't have foundation on my lower lips. I didn't have foundation on my lower lip, but I did on my upper lip, and it was difficult to put this on my upper lip. But it was so easy on the lower lip. The next thing is the loose pigment. I'm so excited about this. I actually never use any. Gosh. This is the box. It has. Oh, it's so stunning. for sure it can be a display layer. I actually never used any loose pigment before, so I have no idea how to use this. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shades. Oh, and it has protection when you open it. Each pot has 1 gram of product. The first one I'm gonna swatch is Cleopatra. Woo! It went on smoothly and feel like creamy. Brain Freeze, Raspberry Wave. Next is Ice Cream. Kind of like Cleopatra but more golden. Cleopatra is more green, this one is more golden. Is Foxy, Glacier Gang, Glacier Gang. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. And the last one, February. It says for eyes, cheeks, and lips, apply with a damp brush for maximum intensity. I think I'm gonna try Foxy on the other eyes with damp brush. Again, I don't have anything on this eye. It's so pigmented. No kidding for loose pigment. I wonder if I lay this over the crayon. You see that? I think it's even more it's even more pigmented on this side. And on this eye without the crayon, I just laid a second layer and it's insane. I'm back and I throw Raspberry Wave on top of my lips and then just gloss bomb all over. And then I use Cleopatra on my lower lash line. And then I use Ice Dune on the center of my lid. And then top up with Ice Cream. And then throw some mascara and lashes. And now we're gonna move on to the Killawatt Foil palette. I honestly expect this to be like this palette. Like this one is plastic and it's really hard and sturdy and good. But this one is cardboard and it's $54. I just hope it's gonna be something better than cardboard. But maybe they were trying to be more environmental friendly. And it comes with mirror. And also you can peel this off. Okay, the first shade I'm gonna swatch is called Scandal Eyes. The second one is Chills with a Z. And the third one is Slow. And then next is Coping Eyes. And then Stone Cold. And then next is Heartburn. And then last one is Sub-Zero. Ooh, beautiful blue. Okay, this is how it looks when the light is dim. You can see it better. I think I'm gonna go with Heartburn from blush and see what it's like. Maybe a little too dark for blush. Yep, this one for sure too dark for blush. and I just screw up my face. I think I fixed it. Don't never try that shade for blush. You know what? I'm gonna go with Honey Slow. It's really subtle, but it's so beautiful though. I think it's good because everything on my face is already metallic. And I think I want to top up with Stone Cold, which is this little. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god. I'm like the Tin Man. Just for fun, I'm gonna try the Scandal Eyes on my eyebrow. Is this like straight up purple? And this is the finished look. I love how it turned out. My final thought on these, I absolutely love all of them. They are so beautiful. It's like everything about this collection is beautiful. Even the box that come with it. And I'm gonna keep everything. I think you should get it. It's worth having. Okay, alright guys, this is the end of my videos today. I hope you enjoy watching my videos, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then go ahead subscribe to my channel, and I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.